Now see, we are going to start sums based on coarse surface area and total surface area of cone, and that is nothing but exercise 13.3. It is sums based on surface area and coarse surface area of cone. This exercise based on cone. Only surface area and coarse surface area. Okay. First sum is diameter of the base of cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find the coarse surface area. Okay. So here what is given to you? Here R is given as 10.5 upon 2. So it is 5.25 centimeter. And length, slant height, that is L, is given as 10 centimeter. You are asked to find out coarse surface area of cone. Now what is the formula for coarse surface area of cone? Coarse surface area of cone is calculated by using the formula pi r l. Pi की जगह you put 22/7, r की जगह you put 525/100 and l की जगह you put 10. एक 10 गया, 5 2 जा 11 2 जा, and this 5 1 जा 5 0 5 5 जा, and this is 7 1 ja 7 7 5 ja. So it is 15 into 11. So my answer is 165 centimeter square. Coarse surface area of cone is 165 centimeter square. Okay. Now second question is, find the total surface area of cone. If the slant height is 21 centimeter and diameter of base is 24 centimeter. So here, what is given? Here, R is given 24/2. So 12 centimeter because diameter is 24. And slant height is given as 21 centimeter. But for total surface area, I should find out H also. You know, for H, you should apply the formula L square minus R square, because H square plus R square is L square. Put the value. Under root L square is 21 square minus R square is 12 square. So it is under root 21 minus 12 will be 9, and 21 plus 12 is 33. Clear? So it is coming 17.2 centimeter. So do you think you require H for total surface area? No. ये मैंने एक्स्ट्रा निकाल के दिया आपको, बिकॉज टोटल सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला इज H is required for getting volume. Okay, H we don't need, but I have shown you how to find out H. If we need value of H, then this way we can find out H. But here we don't require H, because you are asked to find out total surface area of cone. And total surface area of cone is pi r in bracket r plus l. This is the formula, okay? Pi r square plus pi r l. You put the value, pi is 22 by 7, r is 12, and inside the bracket 12 plus 21 is 33. So it is 22 into by 7 into 12 into 33. If you multiply and divide by 7, your answer will be 1244.57 meter square, because here your data is in meter. See, it is given in meter. I have written meter or centimeter. See, either I have written centimeter. Actually data is given in meter, so I have to correct it. This is not centimeter, this is meter, okay? So this is many meter, here also meter, and here also meter. Now next sum. Sum number 3. Core surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square. Okay? And its length height is 14 centimeter. Right? Find the radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Now here, what is given to you? Radius is given as, what is given? Slant height is given as, what is the slant height? Here L is given as 14 centimeter. And your core surface area of cone is given as 308 centimeter square. By using this core surface area की formula, core surface CSA of cone, formula is pi r l. But core surface area is given as 308. Pi is taken as 22 by 7. R is given as R, not given. And L is taken as 14. So 7 2 ja 14. So what is your R is? R is 308 upon 44. So it is 7 centimeter. R is given 27 centimeter. Now you are asked to find out the total surface area of cone. Now total surface area of cone is pi r in bracket r plus l. It is core surface area of cone plus area of base. So pi r square plus pi r l. We derived this formula, short formula, okay? Now put the value. What is the value? For pi, I take 22 by 7. For r, I put 7, which I calculated, into r plus l. So it is 14 plus 7. L is 14 and r is 7. So 7 cancel. So my answer is 22 into 21. Product of 22 into 21 is 462 centimeters square. Clear? Now sum number 4. It is given as a conical tent is 10 meter high and radius is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the cone and also the cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If the cost is 1 meter square canvas is ₹70. Now see, total canvas required to make a conical tent is nothing but the core surface area of cone. Because tent does not have base. On base we are not putting any, we are not using any cloth. Clear? It's a totally ground. Right? So to find out total canvas required, we require to take core surface area of the tent. We don't require total surface area of the tent, okay? So what is given here? First we write the given data here. Here you are given R, radius R is 24 meter. and height of cone is given, h is given as 10 meter. Okay. First I am asked to find out slant height. Slant height. Slant height L is under root h square plus r square. Pythagoras theorem. It is 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square is 576 plus 100. So it is under root 676. Okay. And 676 का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा 26 मीटर. So first question का answer slant height is this. Now you are asked to find out the canvas required. Okay. Total canvas required. Total canvas required is nothing but the curved surface area of cone. Okay. Area of cone. Clear? So it is pi r into L. So it is 22 by 7. R is given as, what is the R given? R is 24. And L we calculated, L which we calculated is 26. Okay. So it is coming this many meter square. Chalo, itna meter square cloth is required. Why to calculate? Calculation will be at the last. Now total cost is total curved surface area into cost per meter square. So it is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26. That is your total curved surface area into cost per meter square is rupees 70. 1 meter square cost is rupees 70. So this many area cost is area multiplied by cost. So it is 7 tanja. So you multiply 22 with 24 with again with 26 and again with 10. So my answer will be 1,37,280 rupees. Rupees 1,37,280. This is the cost required for canvas. Okay. Now you are given what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Clear? 20 centimeter cloth we require for margin and wastage. Okay? For stitching margin and for wastage in cutting. Pi should be taken as 3.14. Here, what is given to you? R is given as, radius is given as 6 meter. And height is given as 8 meter. So naturally my slant height L is under root h square plus r square. And it is nothing but under root 64 plus 36. So it is under root 100. So it is 10 meter. Okay. Okay. Now curved surface area of cone. Because for making a tent, we required only total cloth required is nothing but equal to curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So it is 3.14 into R is 6 and L is 10. So it is 314 into 10. So it is 31.4 into 6. So it is 188.4 meters square. This much cloth is required. Clear? Now, total cloth required is 188.4 meters square. And we require 20 meter length for wastage. Now see, total cloth required is not, first we find out L into B. Okay? L into B is 188.4. This much cloth is required to making a tent. Right? But L is not given, but B is given as 3. So for making a tent, we require this much cloth. So length of cloth required for making a tent is 188.4 upon 3. And it is 62.8 meters. This is the actual length required. But length required for wastage, but length required is 20 meter more. Okay? Length required for cloth is 20 meter more than 62.8. 62.8 meter. Okay? So total length required is, समझ में, 20 meter length they required for cutting wastage and stitching margin. Okay? So actual length required is 62.8 plus 20, and that is 82.8 meter. Okay? 0.20. It's not 20 meter. It is 20 centimeter. Sorry. 20 centimeter, no? It is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is 0.20 meter. Okay? 20 centimeter. Dekha? 20 centimeter. Okay? So more than 62.2 meters. So total length required is 62.8 plus 0.20. So it is 63 meter. Okay? मैंने मीटर ले लिया था. Okay? Length required is 63 meter because 20 centimeter length we require more for stitching margin and cutting wastage. Clear? Now, next sum is this length, height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Slant height is 25 meter and base diameter is 14 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at a rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So here, what is given to you? L is given as 25 meter. And radius is given as, diameter is 14, so radius is 7 meter. Now curved surface area. Area of a conical tomb is pi r l. Put the value. Pi is 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. So 25 into 22 is 550. 25 4 is 100. So 550 meter square. Now what is the cost for whitewashing? Cost for 100 meter square is rupees 2110. So cost for 550 meter square is what? So it is 550 into 210 upon 100. एक जीरो गया, एक जीरो गया. 55 into 21. That is rupees 1155. Clear? Now next sum is, a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of this sheet required to make 10 such caps. Cap conical in shape and base में तो कुछ होता नहीं है. So for cloth required for one cap is equal to the curved surface area of the cap. Okay, so that is pi RL. For one cap, pi RL. So for 10 such cap, pi RL into 10. Clear? Clear how much sheet is required. So here, what is your given data? R is given as 7 centimeter. H is given as 24 centimeter. So naturally I should find out slant height. Okay. Without slant height I can't find out curved surface area. Okay. It is under root S square plus R square. So that is under root 24 square plus 7 square. Clear? And that is under root 576 plus 49. So what is the answer? It is under root 625. What is the answer? Under root 625. So it is 25 centimeter. This is my slant height. Now what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area of cone. Area of cap is pi RL. So it is 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. So again my answer is coming 550 centimeter square. ऊपर मीटर स्क्वायर था. Now total sheet required. Total sheet required for 10 cap. 10 cap is 10 multiplied by 550. So it is 5500 centimeter square. Clear? This much sheet is required for making 10 caps. Now the bus stop. It is a sum based on bus stop. Bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has base diameter is 40 cm and height 1 meter. एक measurement meter में 1 centimeter में. या तो you should convert everything in meter or you should convert everything in centimeter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square. देखो, cost is per meter square. So we should find out the curved surface area also in meter square. What will be the cost of painting all these cones? Pi should be taken as 3.14 and under root 1.04 should be taken as 1.02. Everything is given. Now cones are put to separate the road. ऐसे रोड के बीच में दो पार्ट करने के लिए बीच में कोन रखते हैं ना. तो here R is given as 20 centimeter. Diameter is 40, so R is 20, so that is 0.2 meter. Okay, because everything should be taken in meter. H is given as 1 meter. But I am asked to find out slant height. Without slant height, we can't find out coarse surface area. It is s square plus r square. So it is under root 1 square plus 0.2 square. So it is under root 1.04. But square root of 1.04 is given as 1.02 centimeter. Okay. I got slant height. Now what is the coarse surface area of cone? Coarse surface area of cone is pi RL. They said pi should be taken as 3.14, okay? R should be taken as 0.2 and L should be taken as 1.02. So it is coming, calculate करोगे तो आएगा 314 into 102 by 1000 meter square. Clear? This many meter square is the coarse surface area. Now, cost of painting. Cost of painting. The external part of the cone is given as 12 rupees per meter square. So, total cost is equal to 314 into 102 by 1000 meter square. That is the area multiplied by cost per meter square is 12. Clear? So it is multiplied करोगे आप तो आएगा रुपीज 384.34 rupees approximately. You multiplied 314 with 102, then with 12, and then you cut 3 decimal. You will be getting rupees 384.34 and something. But approximately I have taken the value up to 2 decimal because 1 rupees is 100 paisa. Clear?